नमस्कार, मैं अमिताभ मोहन, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर HLS इंडिया एंड एडवाइज़र एंड मेंटर एट MC केजरीवाल विद्यापीठ। MC केजरीवाल विद्यापीठ में हम लोग आज करियर फेयर का आयोजन करने जा रहे हैं और हमारे चेयरमैन का हमेशा से ये विजन रहा है, किशन केजरीवाल जी का, MC केजरीवाल के चेयरमैन, कि बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए, होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो भी अवसर और एक्सपोजर उनको दिया जा सके वो दिया जाए। और इसी प्रयास के सतत हम लोग ये करियर फेयर कर रहे हैं, जिसकी शुरुआत हो रही है पैनल डिस्कशन से। पैनल डिस्कशन में हमारे पास बहुत गणमान्य अतिथि हैं जो हमारे पैनल में हैं। एजुकेशन सेक्टर से हैं, मीडिया सेक्टर से हैं, हायर एजुकेशन सेक्टर से हैं, डिफेंस से हैं। इन सारे लोगों को हमने एक पैनल में लिया है जो कि अटेंड करेंगे, पेरेंट्स और बच्चे इसको अटेंड करेंगे, जिसमें डिफरेंट जो इमर्जिंग करियर ट्रेंड्स हैं 21वीं शताब्दी में, इसके बारे में चर्चा होगी और बात करी जाएगी। तत्पश्चात हम लोग यहाँ पर एक करियर फेयर भी लगा रहे हैं, जहाँ पे डिफरेंट स्टॉल्स लगाई गई हैं। बहुत सारे रूम्स को भी स्टॉल्स में कन्वर्ट किया गया है, जहाँ पे टीचर्स और बच्चों ने प्रोफेशनल्स के साथ, उन करियर्स के प्रोफेशनल्स के साथ मिल करके करियर के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन उन रूम में, उसके जितनी भी जानकारियाँ हैं वो एकत्रित करी हैं। तो पेरेंट्स, बच्चे और अपने स्कूल के और आसपास के जितने भी स्कूल हैं सभी को निमंत्रण दिया गया है, इन्विटेशन दिया गया है। वो सब आकर के यहाँ पर उसको अटेंड करेंगे, अपने करियर में अवेयरनेस को बढ़ाएंगे। यही आज का एक प्रयास है और आज का जो हमारा थीम है, करियर फेयर ऑन इमर्जिंग ट्रेंड्स इन 21st सेंचुरी।
दादा
friend, philosopher, and guide to every member of the MCKV family. Professor Chattopadhyay, Professor Shabina, Captain Shanlal, Miss Ghosh, and Amitabh sir, we are truly grateful that despite your busy schedules, you have taken the time to be with us today.
Good morning and namaste to each and everyone present here in this Malay Manch. And a very warm welcome to all the panelists and all the experts from the different fields of today's emerging trend which is coming up in this world today. In this area or in this line, to be honest, I am not an expert. Experts will be talking to you all. But let me tell you 2-3 things, parents and the students. The world is changing. India is becoming, emerging as one of the superpower in this world by 2030, 2040. India is having the youngest generation between 35 and 40, below 35 and 40. So what do we understand from this? That we can do a lot. But before doing a lot, are we aware of these things a lot where we can do? In this line, MCKV had taken a lead role from last 2 years for giving insights of emerging trends which are coming in this world for the students to think and to go into this big line. As such, I request the parents and the students, दिल की सुनो, दिमाग लगाओ, खोज करो, उसके बाद में आगे बढ़ो. In our time, it was only science or commerce. पापा जो करते थे, उसी में जाना है. पापा की डांट सुनते थे, वही करना है. यही तो बात है. पापा बिजनेस करते थे, बिजनेस में जाना है. पर आज के दिन तो वो है नहीं. Today the world have changed a lot. Today generation अपने दिल की सुनते हैं और दिमाग कम लगाते हैं. दिल की सुनते हैं पर थोड़ा सा दिमाग कम लगाते हैं. इसलिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आज के जनरेशन से, दिमाग भी थोड़ा सा लगाना चालू करो. दिमाग लगाओ. मेरे पड़ोसी या मेरे चाचा, मेरे ताऊ या मेरे ये किए हैं इसलिए मुझे ये जाना है ना, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आपका जो पैशन है, आपका जो दिल बोल रहा है, यदि आपको म्यूजिशियन बनना है, prove your parents that you want to be a musician, what you can do and how you can do and how you can reach that goal. पर मुझे एकदम ठंडी आवाज में मुझे तो म्यूजिशियन बनना है. कैसे बनोगे पता नहीं, कहां पढ़ोगे पता नहीं, इससे क्या फायदा है उसमें. तो बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग, बिफोर डूइंग थिंकिंग ऑफ एनीथिंग, डू योर होमवर्क. Today you are having the world into your palm. On your mobile, each and everything are ready available. But don't go blindly or with all those things also. Because you have got a school, you have got teachers, you have got experts where you can talk to them, you can listen to them. You can have your queries solved with them before taking any step for your future. And again, taking a step for future, have 2 or 3 steps. Number 1, plan. यदि fail होता है, go for plan B. If you are having B plan, if it fails also, then go for C plan. Now, if you want to go to Bombay, if you don't get the flight ticket, how we go? By train? हाँ या ना? और ट्रेन में भी फर्स्ट क्लास, सेकंड क्लास, थर्ड क्लास की टिकट नहीं मिलती. कौन सी टिकट मिलती है? उसी में जाना है क्योंकि जरूरी है जाना. Then we have got a plan for B also. So accordingly into our life also, we should think, we should plan accordingly and take help with the expert for choosing your career for your part of your future, and for which today panelists will be there guiding to you all, into all. In Atrium there is a fair, in all the, mostly with the new emerging trend, the expert will be there into stalls where you all can discuss, where you can get insight of those careers and you can choose your path. With all this word, thank you for coming. God bless you all. Thank you.
So ladies and gentlemen, here's presenting Mr. Amitabh Mohan. Sir, the stage is all yours.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं अमिताभ और आप इस समय देख रहे हैं इमर्जिंग ट्रेंड्स इन 31st सेंचुरी. क्या तैयार हैं? आवाज से तो नहीं लगा. क्या तैयार हैं? बच्चों की आवाज आई. पेरेंट्स क्या तैयार हैं? एंड सर, Professor Chattopadhyay sir, can I request you to please initiate and share your experiences with us?
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, sir. And thank you for inviting me here on this very, very exciting topic, something that is in the core of my heart. Coming from a business school where I have been going through the journey of young careers, minds, brilliant minds of the country, and how the nature of jobs, nature of careers are changing over the last 29 years. I will just touch upon a few things. For 3 minutes, let me start with 3 things only. First is, technology is coming in a big, big way to change our life. As Chairman Sir has rightly pointed out, the world is no longer the same. And in the education space, technology has made a major change in how we look at education itself. Gone are the old days where we can really commit to memory and vomit in the exam hall and then get a job. It's no longer possible because the nature of businesses are also changing with the technology. I am sure many of you know some of the latest things, exciting things happening in the technology space, in artificial intelligence, machine learning, things such as ChatGPT and things like that, which are bringing in revolution to the how human mind can even think. It was unthinkable even 15 years back. After OpenAI, that company in United States started with this idea. We were all familiar over the last 8-10 years of Google. Many a time we joke, Google Dada ko pucho. We go to Google, search for anything and everything, but that has become a kind of a very old neighbor now.
Namaskar, Adab, and a very, very good morning. At the outset, I would like to express my gratitude to Kishan Kumar Kejriwal ji, who has always been like an elder brother. Thank you for inviting me. To the entire board, the management, the authorities of MC Kejriwal Vidyapeeth, and to all the stakeholders, it is a pleasure and a privilege to be here. And I hope that my words find some use to the eager faces of the students that I see before me and to the very, very interested and dynamic guardians I see before me. I do not speak here as an officer of the state government. I speak as an academician, as a professor of English, as the internship officer of Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose College, and as the mother of 2 boys, one of whom has finished his masters and one who is in the 12th standard. Before I tell you anything about any topic, तो स्टूडेंट्स जब आप स्कूल से निकलते हैं क्लास 12 पास करके, और आप में से पेरेंट्स जो अपने बच्चों को जनरल एजुकेशन के लिए भेजते हैं, कॉमर्स हो, साइंस हो, ह्यूमैनिटीज हो, उनके पास एग्जिट ऑप्शंस आती हैं. An exit at the end of 1 year, an exit at the end of the 2nd year, an exit at the end of the 3rd year, and then a continuation into the 4th year. No exit, no degree is complete without a 60-hour compulsory consolidated unpaid internship submitted with a project to the affiliating university's examiner. So what is very, very important in today's world, whether you are doing BA, BCom, BSc, is that internships are very important. Now you will ask me, why are internships so important? The internships are very important क्योंकि इनका जो मकसद है, that is enhancing employability. This is all available on the UGC website, on the university website. Please go and take a look. So the topic here is enhancing employability, and that brings me to my second point. How do you define employability? The student, do you know how to define employability? Employability refers to the certain attributes of an individual that enable him to perform a successful job opportunity in line with the set standards of performance for the expected job. So employability is a set of skills and attributes developed through a range of experience.
When we used to get influenced by Mera Science Mahan, right? Science is the best, commerce next, humanities rest. आप जिस सब्जेक्ट में अच्छा कर सकते हो, जिस करियर में अच्छा कर सकते हो, उसमें आपकी employability ज़्यादा होगी rather than what someone else can do better, and that is what has to be kept in mind in the new emerging trend of 21st century that we have. Thank you so much, Dr. Mar, for bringing in these very, very insightful details to our audience. Friends, let us get into some specific career perspectives on in emerging trends as well, and we have Captain Amit Sanyal with us with his very prolific and industrious career track. Sir, I would like you to share that in the context of defense, how are the trends changing currently if the children are wanting to make a career in that?
I would like to express my gratitude to Shri K.K. Kejriwal and the management of MCKV for inviting an armed forces officer here. It's very important for a country's progress for the armed forces to be very strong and very bright. I'll spend a minute trying to explain my life's journey. I joined the National Defence Academy after 11th. I have not completed my 12th. One of the great benefits I felt of joining National Defence Academy was I don't have to sit for the board exams. Now, the training at NDA was, like most of you know, one of the toughest in the world. The Camp Rovers in Fort Town is rated in Guinness Book of World Records as the toughest camp under 19. Now, what did I experience? The moment I was commissioned in the Navy, I was thrown into a war, that is Sri Lanka, where when the ship sails out, there is no Binni Ka Hatti or Binni Ka workshop in the middle of the sea for repairs. You have to be completely self-contained, and when you are in an operation, you have to complete your mission. So 2 things I learned is how to sustain yourself in life with whatever resources you have. And the second thing is how to focus only on completion of your mission. After that, I underwent a training on a very advanced missile system where I learned how technology is important, and despite not having a degree in electronics and communication, I was able to sail through this course.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you, MCKV family. I understand you are one big happy family. Thank you for inviting me. Hearing all the erudite speakers before me, I had only one wish. Like, I wish I had so many opportunities when I was a student. See, things have changed dramatically since we were in school and colleges. Our parents would tell us the first thing was, finish your school. You have to finish your school and then think of your career. So there were fixed demarcations for people like us, the no good who studied humanities. We could write. So we were told that I think journalism is just the right option for you. But now that is not what students choose. They have career counselors in school who guide them, career fairs like this. They guide students to the right path. And what Sabina said, that is something very relevant. Students these days, they are very fluid. They can choose subjects which may be interdisciplinary. It can be music with maths, which I hear is a very rising combination. So I just talk about my career, my profession, because as a journalist, I can only say what I have been observing over the years. As part of the Young Metro team, we run this newspaper that goes to schools. Naturally, we are flooded with applications for internship, and now with the new education policy, the national education policy, and even the holistic approach that most schools have, since the last 10 years I've been finding this, there's a lot of stress on extracurricular activities and internships right from class 12. So naturally we have been flooded with applications, as I said, and we have a policy. We don't take interns from classes 11 and 12.
And thinking ability. It is degrading day by day with the help of AI. Because with the help of AI, the students are doing everything. So what about their creativity?
Very good question. Excellent question. Excellent question. Yeah. Certain things we are allowing machine to take care. So if you really talk of creativity, creativity is not just writing a couple of lines. Creativity is also, broadening your mind about everything that is there. How you will spend your life. What kind of competitions you will face in life. What are your strengths and weaknesses. So those things are also creativity. That is where technology cannot help or disturb. So obviously certain things which are kind of mundane in my judgment, technology can help you. And sometimes can do a better job than us. But not the innovation. Technology will not innovate, you will innovate.
Thank you so much for asking that question. Very relevant in our country today. We have 3 parts of our mission. The first part is intelligence.
I represent MSME. MSME, micro, small, medium enterprise, and we promote business. There are lots of careers that the eminent guests have discussed. देखिए आज का सबसे बड़ा कैरियर अभी भी है जो हम लोग फैकल्टी से है, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो, लॉयर्स, टैक्स प्रैक्टिशनर, इवन चेयरमैन के सामने भी सीए का वही रखा हुआ है. He was reading that. ये तो है. अच्छा, since I am representing MSME, ये थोड़ा सा आप लोग से इंटरेक्शन करेंगे हम लोग कि MCKV has also signed an MOU with us. जो youngsters जो आप लोग बिजनेस में आएंगे, एमएसएमई और एमसीसीआई हम लोग का वो काउंसिल से ये हम लोग जो लास्ट ईयर की हम लोग वी मेड एन एमओयू। तो ये क्या मैं आप लोगों का थोड़ा नॉलेज टेस्ट कर सकता हूँ बिजनेस में जो आएंगे आप लोग? चलिए करते हैं। समझ लीजिए कोई एक चीज आप परचेस कर रहे हैं 100 रुपीज में, सेल कर रहे हैं 90 रुपीज में, क्या प्रॉफिट है कि लॉस है? वो बड़ा क्वेश्चन है। लॉस है पेरेंट्स, लॉस है। सर अगर हम लोग थोड़ा सा लिटरेट हो जाएंगे इन द बिजनेस तो हम लोग बोलेंगे कि देयर इज अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 20 रुपीज। नहीं, मैं पागल नहीं हूं। आपको एमएसएमई इतना इंसेंटिव देता है, 40 रुपीज इंसेंटिव देगा 100 रुपीज में। इवन इफ यू मेक ए लॉस, आज के दिन आपका उसका प्रॉफिट है। तो ये सब हम लोग का नॉलेज देखिएगा www.msme.gov.in। इसमें आप लोग जा सकते हैं बिजनेस में। एक्चुअली बिजनेस क्या है कि देखिए जो मारवाड़ीज और गुजरातीज है 90% बिजनेस करके रखा है। जो हम लोग कम्युनिटी लाइक आई कम फ्रॉम बंगाली, बिहारी, उड़ीसा नहीं जाने देगा अपना बच्चों को। Will तो allow their child to be a businessman? नहीं, ये जुआ है, क्यों जा रहे हो उसमें? तुम पढ़ो, सीए बनो, 10 से 5 नौकरी करो, अच्छा ड्रेस करके ऑफिस में जाओ। नो, एजुकेशन आपको बिजनेस में चाहिए। जैसे एमसीकेवी से हम लोग टाइड अप किए हुए हैं और ये रेगुलर ये फीचर होगा कि हम लोग वी विल बी प्रेजेंटिंग ये बिजनेस हम लोग को यंगस्टर्स को कैसे सिखाना है। विदिन आई थिंक चेयरमैन साहब को बहुत एक क्लैप देना चाहिए कि ऐसे यूनिवर्सिटी बहुत कम लिया है। वेरी बिग क्लैप फॉर इन एमसीकेवी। और उसमें हम लोग एम्प्लॉयमेंट आपको बिजनेस कैसे करना होता है और पेरेंट्स भी इनवाइटेड है, उसमें हम लोग ये देखेंगे। सो मैं टेक्निकलिटीज में एकदम नहीं जाऊंगा। हाँ, आप लोग बिजनेस में आओ इन लाइन विद डॉक्टर सहवाग चैटर्जी। वो जो बोल रहे थे फुली एडेड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आपको चाहिए। आप लोग जो कोर्स कर रहे हो इट्स वेरी गुड, उसके साथ बिजनेस में भी आइए। बस और कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो
अगर क्वेश्चंस हैं तो एमएसएमई के कुछ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एक स्टॉल पे भी आपको मिलेंगे। यू कैन गेट मोर डिटेल्स अबाउट एमएसएमई एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एट द स्टॉल एज वेल। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
I would request our secondary stage coordinator, Ms. Sanchita Sarkar, to kindly deliver the vote of thanks.
It is my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on this momentous occasion. The panel discussion on emerging career trends in the 21st century, which is a part of MCKV Career Fair 2024. We have been fortunate to hear from such distinguished guests who have provided us with invaluable insights into the dynamic world of careers today. First and foremost, I would like to extend our deepest gratitude to Dr. Shribal Chattopadhyay. Sir, your enlightening words on the evolving landscapes of career in management, entrepreneurship and technology and more have given us a clearer perspective on how to navigate into the future. Thank you so much, sir. A special thank you to Dr. Shabina Omar. Dr. Omar, your remarks on the importance of adapting our educational frameworks to meet the emerging career trends have underscored the significance of aligning our academic pursuits with the demands of the future workforce.
I'm very grateful to the headmaster of MC Kejriwal Vidyapeeth for inviting me to this event, which is extremely important in today's world. It is a career fair and it talks about the changing career trends in the 21st century. I was part of the panel discussion. I was also one of the inaugurators of the career fair, and I find this to be a very useful industry-academia connect that upholds the principles of the New Education Policy 2020, and it enables students to find a platform in the school itself to explore different career options, different higher education options, so that they can understand in which directions they should proceed once they have cleared the school. The other panelists were also very erudite and eminent from the fields of journalism, from the fields of the armed forces, and of course the director of IIM Joka. So we had experts on management institutions and other areas of work. We had former students come up and talk about their experiences as professionals now. So we all harped on the importance of technology and how students must be very focused and how this is the information age, and therefore students must explore and navigate through information to understand what is important and what is valuable for them. I have specifically asked them to set SMART goals and also to keep in touch with their parents about guidance and mentoring, to inculcate values and to use technology as a tool rather than let technology overwhelm you. So it's been a very interesting morning and a very enriching day as we have seen the various stalls and the various opportunities on display for the young minds. So I'm very grateful to Kishan Kumar Kejriwal ji and the entire family of MCK.
আমার বক্তব্য ছিল, যেটা আমি বলার চেষ্টা করলাম, যে আমরা যে সময়ের মধ্যে দিয়ে যাচ্ছি সেখানে প্রযুক্তি মানে টেকনোলজি একটা প্রচণ্ড গুরুত্বপূর্ণ রোল প্লে করছে। আমাদের যাবতীয় জীবনের সমস্ত কিছু ডিসিশন মেকিংয়ে এখন প্রযুক্তি কাজ করছে, আমাদের মোবাইল নিয়ে, আমাদের কম্পিউটার নিয়ে, আমাদের সব কিছুতে। এই কনটেক্সটেই আমাদের কেরিয়ারে, আমাদের চাকরিতেও প্রযুক্তির একটা প্রচণ্ড প্রভাব এসে গেছে। সেক্ষেত্রে চাকরিগুলো আর আগের মতো হয়তো থাকবে না। চাকরিগুলো উদ্যোগপতি তৈরি করার দিকে আমাদের বেশি নজর দিতে হবে। কিসের বিনিময় না, আগে যেরকম কোম্পানিতে লোকে পড়াশোনা করে ভালো রেজাল্ট করে কোম্পানিতে চাকরি পেত, এখন কিন্তু তারা লেখাপড়া আগের মতনই ভালো করবে, তারপরে সে নতুন নতুন বিজনেস, নতুন নতুন উদ্যোগ শুরু করবে। কারণ কোম্পানিগুলোর চাকরি দেওয়ার একটা সময়ের পরে আর উপায় নেই, সম্ভব নয়। আমাদের হিউজ একটা পপুলেশান আছে, এই পপুলেশানে সবাইকে সেইভাবে সমান চাকরি দেওয়া যাচ্ছে না। তাহলে উদ্যোগপতি হওয়ার ব্যাপারে আমাদেরকে একটা এনকারেজ করা হচ্ছে। এই এন্টারপ্রেনিয়রশিপ বা উদ্যোগপতি তৈরি করার ব্যাপারটা একটা নতুন একটা ধারার জন্ম দিয়েছে, এবং আমার মনে হয় আগামীকালের জন্যে এই উদ্যোগপতি তৈরিটাই ভবিষ্যতের চাকরি হিসেবে পরিগণিত হবে। আমার নাম শৈবাল চট্টোপাধ্যায়, IIM ক্যালকাটা।